Hello, my name is Daniela Romero Suarez. I am a student of Business Administration, and today I'm going to talk about the relationship between quarantine and the air quality in the city of Bogota. Why is it important to take care of air quality? Simple. It is what we breathe. For this reason, if we breathe highly polluted air, it is possible to contract respiratory and cardiovascular disease, fatigue, flu, among others. As we can see in the following image of Bogota, the air wasn't long ago in boring conditions. As a solution by the district was carried out on different occasions, pick and plate spray, changing the SITP fleet, but this only brought results for the moment and just removed the alerts. Okay. The main causes of air pollution are related to the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas. The combustion of these raw materials occurs mainly in the process or in the operation of industrial and road transport sectors. Next, I present a report from the mayor of Bogota. It is a coincidence? I don't think so. In this photo, we can see the change in air quality a month ago compared to the one at the beginning of the quarantine. The air and the environment are clean. The pollution has decreased. And this wouldn't be possible if we weren't going through this COVID-19 crisis. Next, we will see the good side of the quarantine. In the following image, we can see the before and after lockdown of Italy, Europe, China, and India. If confinement brought these positive results in different parts of the world, here in Colombia will be the same, and we must be positive about it. It will be beneficial for us. Not everything is lost. Our world is regenerating. Despite the quarantine seriously affect the economy, humanity is receiving the gift of recovering Earth. If air is cleaned, we clean ourselves. We should be more grateful for this change and take conscious actions when we return to the normal. For this reason, today I want to invite you to take high level of awareness of this situation we are going through. Stay home, take care ourselves and our planet, who today is the beneficiary of the crisis. It's time to wake up, please. We're dying. Overcoming this crisis and providing the solution of the worrying problem of the pollution is literally in our hands. Finally, I want to share with you the following post-crisis solutions that can help to maintain the change. Measures that punish the traffic of highly pollution vehicles. Support from the police to enforce them. Pick and plate extended and car-free day frequently. Campaigns and incentives for the city citizens to use bicycles to strengthen street safety. A manual of infraction to the environment that brings consequences such as fines and legal problems. Replace the buses of the public transport system that pollute by electric buses. And this is all. Thank you. Bye.